Clearcom prides itself on understanding what customers need to accomplish and develop scalable and right-sized individual communication systems. Conventional push-to-talk systems are half-duplex soapbox platforms, allowing only one individual to speak at a time, lengthening communication periods and limiting effectiveness. Employees are required to press buttons to speak, creating potential safety pitfalls. But Equip is different. Our full duplex communication platform includes all the benefits of conventional long-range wireless systems without limiting natural conversations. Status LEDs that verify connectivity, 2-channel selections to isolate different groups, and convenient group chat functionality. Easily pair headsets with common NFC tap technology, specially designed to work with an intuitive touchscreen base station, which features color-coded status updates and built-in diagnostics. To learn more, call your local representative or visit clearcom.com today.